Well, hello there. So here's what's going to happen. I am going to do an example or two of each problem that you're going to see on geometry year in review part 1. So if you would like an example when you do the problems in Delta Math, you can go ahead to the portion in the recording that has that example. All right. Okay. First one is the translation of a point. Okay. The image of a point of -4, 7 after a translation right 4 units. The first number is left and right. So -4 right to the right 4 units is going to be positive direction. So -4 plus 4 is going to be 0. Up is also the positive direction. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. Here, -4 left 2 units would be -2. So -4 minus 2 is -6. -6 up 5 units is +5. -6 plus 5 is -1. So your answer is -6, -1. Next, reflection of a point. Okay. What is the image of 4, -5 after a reflection over the line y equals -x? And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this for you. Nope, not that. Nope, not that. This. Okay, so okay, I want you to take a picture of this. All right, so you're going to need this to do this problem. Okay, so if it says reflect over y equals -x, do you see reflect y equals -x right here? We need -y, then -x. So what's the negative of y? The negative of y would be +5. What's the negative x? The negative of x would be -4. So there you go. Yes. Let's do another one. Here's a reflection of the line y equals x. So using this, see y equals x, that's going to be yx. Okay, so 8, 9 is going to be 9, 8. There you go. What is the image of 9, 0 over the y-axis? Okay, reflect over the y-axis, that's -x, +y. What's -x? -9. And y is going to be 0. Okay, one more. What's the image of 6, -4 after a reflection over the x-axis? Reflect over the x-axis is x negative y. X is 6. Negative y, negative of -4 is +4. 6 or 4. There you go. Okay. Rotation 270 degrees. Okay. Rotate 270 degrees clockwise is negative yx. Oh, 270 counterclockwise. Okay. That's the same as 90. Oh, so here it is. 270 counterclockwise is y negative x. Okay. So what's y? Y is 0. What's negative x? Positive 6. Again, counterclockwise, 270. Y negative x. All right, that's 2 + 5. Okay. 90 degrees counterclockwise is negative y positive x. So it's going to be -8. Positive x means you leave the negative alone. You don't change it. Okay. Okay, here, how does A go to B? And all you got to do is pick the correct one. It's not hard considering you have 100 chances to get one right. So you only need 4 chances, don't you? So I'm going to say that you rotate. You're going to rotate this guy from A to B. I'm going to rotate 90 degrees is what I would say. Okay, there you go. Just like that. Measuring angles with a protractor. Measure angle PQR. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the Q right on the blue. I'm going to move the blue dot. There. Okay. Now move protractor using the center move down. Oh, I know what to do. I got to move this guy. I'm going to put it right on the line. Boom. See how it clicks in there? So now this is 69 degrees. In fact, you can make it bigger if you want. And you can see that's going to be 69 degrees. Okay. There you go. I'm going to put the blue dot on the yellow dot. And I'm going to put this guy right on the line. Okay. What is the measure of angle ABD? That one is going to be 72. And if that's 72, ABD is 72. What's CBD? Well, CBD is going to be 68. I made a mistake for the first time ever. ABD, all right? ABD is not 72. See, from here, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 plus 2, 112. Okay. And 112 plus 68 is 180. Okay. I'm going to intersect these two lines. EIG has to be less than 45 degrees. All right. See how EIG is clearly more than 45 degrees. Okay. Here, you see what I've done? I've moved the yellow dots. I've made EIG less than 45 degrees. Now that I'm done moving the lines, I'm going to put this blue dot right here. And I'm going to move this guy over here. Now, what is EIG? It's 29 degrees. What's FIH? FIH is going to be, see, GIH is 180 degrees. So FIH is 180 minus 29. That's going to be FIH. EIH, sorry, EIH is 151. FIH is also 29. FIG is also 151. Okay. How are these two congruent? Side, side, side. Side, side, side. It can be proven congruent. How are these? This is also, oh, sorry. This is angle side side. Remember how there's no ass in geometry? So this one cannot be proven congruent. Side side angle. It's ass backwards. Got it wrong. Why did I get it wrong? Okay. Fine. Side angle, side angle. All right. Okay, the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, right? So all you got to do is take 40 plus 56 is 96. And what is 180 minus 96? You can use your handy dandy calculator. 84. Okay. Here, all three add up to 180. So I'm going to take 86 plus 5x plus 3 plus 36 equals 180. Okay. So I combine like terms. 36 plus 3 plus 86 is 125. I minus 125 from both sides. 5x equals 55, x equals 11. Okay. In this case, the two far angles from 71 add up to 71. So x plus 49 equals 71. Let me show you. Okay. Oh, sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Here. 90 plus x equals 114. I don't want to do it their way. Sorry, their way is bad. I'm going to do 90 plus x equals 114. Okay. 90 plus x equals 114. Okay. I'm going to minus 90 from both sides. Hey. You get x, right? X equals 24. X equals 24, okay? Let me do one more of these. All right, here, this is too easy because these two angles add up to 180. So all I'm going to do is take 180 minus 71. What is 180 minus 71? $109. Okay. There you go. All right, here, x plus 48 equals 158. 158 here equals these two combined, okay? So x plus 48 equals 158, minus 48 from both sides, you get x equals 110. Okay. All right, the three angles add up to 180. So I do 7x minus 9 plus 3x plus 7 plus 3x plus 13 equals 180. Once I do that, once I find x, I'm going to put it in for 3x plus 13. I'm going to show you. Really, you don't even have to draw a picture. You just know that the three angles add up to 180, combine like terms, minus 11 from both sides, you get 13x equals 169 divided by 13, x equals 13. So I'm going to put 13 in for x here. 3 times 13 is 39, plus 13 is going to be 52. There you go. Isosceles triangles. Here you should draw a picture, okay? It's saying K equals M, okay? So you draw it like this, where K and M are equal. It's telling you LM is 20, MK is 7, find KL, all right? So that's too easy because 20 is the same as KL. So X equals 20. KL equals 20. All right. Let me do one more. CA and I'm sorry, AB equals CA, angle C equals 43. What's angle B? That's also 43. That's too easy. Come on, challenge me. Still too easy. That's 8. Find the length of OM. Still too easy. That's 14. I guess that's how easy it's going to be for you folks. Okay. NKL, that's X. These two angles are equal. X equals 40, done. But as for L plus M equals 180. So L will be 140, okay? But K, angle K is just 40. JKL is 120. LMJ, that's also 120. Here we go. If this is 55, 55 plus X adds up to 180. So this is going to be 125 because 125 plus 55 equals 180. Easy, man. Okay. By the way, these bisect each other. And These are all right angles here. Okay. If TR equals 32, what's TV? All right. So the diagonals bisect each other, which means they cut them in half. So if TR is all the way across, TV is halfway across, it's got to be 16. NPQ, PR is 50, find PS, that's 25, right? NR is 25, what's NQ? You double it, so that's 50. Easy, man. Distance between 2 points, okay? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Or do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is 4 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Four squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Take the square root. Plus or minus 5. Actually, it's not going to be minus 5 because there's no such thing as a negative distance. The answer is just 5. Okay. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Six squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 36 plus 16 equals C squared. 36 plus 16, 52 equals C squared. Take the square root. Square root of 52. What perfect square evenly goes into 52? Hold on a second. Let me get this out for you. Okay. One of these purple numbers evenly goes into 52. Which one is it? 4. So sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. 16 plus 32 equals C squared. 48 equals C squared. What perfect square goes into 48? 16. Square root of 16, square root of 3. What's the square root of 16? 8 square root of 3. Okay? That's the distance between those points. Oh, am I wrong? Square root of 16 is 4. See? Say no to drugs. 4 square root of 3. Okay, I'm still wrong. Oh. Sorry. One, two, three, four, five, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 6 squared. Jeez, oh man. Plus 4 squared. Oh my God, what's 6 squared? 6 squared is 36. I'm sorry, I'm really tired today. I got up at 3:45 this morning. So this is 52. I'm sorry. 52, which is going to be 52 is square root of 4 times square root of 13. So that's going to be 2 square root of 13. Okay? Sorry about that. Two square root of 13. Okay. Find the distance between the 2 points. Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Distance between 2 points. All right. I want you to take a picture of this. Distance equals square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. Okay, so now 3, -7, and 0, -1. So we're going to do 0 minus 3. Zero minus 3 squared plus, all right, we did 0 minus 3, I'm sorry, that's x2 minus x1, which is fine, I did that first. Now I'm going to do -1 minus -7. -1 minus -7 squared, okay? -1, okay, so 0 minus 3 is -3. -3 times -3 is +9. -1 minus -7 is -1 plus 7. That's 6. Squared is 36. 9 plus 36 is 45. On your calculator, you got to do square root 45. So turn your calculator sideways. type 45 and then hit the square root key. That's the X with the square, the 2 in it, okay? Hit that, which should give you 6.708, but it says to the nearest 10th. So that's just 6.7. Okay? That's what you do. Area of a triangle, all right? Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay. So if area is 1/2 base times height, you do 1/2 of 10 times 3.4 on your calculator. 0.5 times 10 times 3.4. You'll get 17. Okay. One half of base times height. 1/2 of 5/4 times 1/3. Okay. 1/2 of 5/4 times 1/3. You do 1 times 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8 times 3 is 24. There's your answer. Okay. Scale factor. Okay. All you got to do is 16 over 208 equals 14.4 over what? Okay. So we're going to do, okay. All right, they just made it all confusing, so don't do it that way. All right, we're going to do this. 16 over 208 equals 14 over x. Okay, cross multiply. You're going to do 14 times 208 divided by 16. 14 times 208 divided by 16 equals 182. Okay. $182. And I'm wrong. Why am I wrong? I know why I'm wrong. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 16, sorry. The area of rectangle B is 208. So I'm sorry, my fault. So here's what I have to do. I read the problem wrong, I apologize. This is very easy, okay? Sorry about that. How do you find area? It's length times width, right? So if this is 16 and the area is 208, 16 times what equals 208? I'm going to do 208 divided by 16. That gives me 13, okay? So this is 16 by 13. Oh, okay. So now over here, okay, if that is 14.4 here, okay, now I'm going to do 16 divided by 14.4 equals 13 divided by x. I'm going to find that length there. So I'm going to do 13 times 14.4 divided by 16. That equals 11.7. So this here is 11.7. Now all I got to do is 11.7 times 14.4 to get the area. 11.7 times 14.4 equals 168.48. And it says to the nearest tenth, doesn't it? Doesn't say that. Okay, so 158.48. That's how you do that. Okay, just read the problem carefully, not like I did. Okay. Here, what's the scale factor? Okay. Scale factor is bigger over smaller. So what's 47 divided by 10? 47 divided by 10 is 4.7. Okay. Bigger divided by smaller. What's 43 divided by 33? Okay. 43 divided by 33 is 1.3. Oh, sorry. Express your answer in simplest form. 43 over 33. You just leave it like that. 43 fraction bar 33. Boom. And what did they want? Oh, 33 over 43. Okay. Okay. Sorry. The right triangle on the right is the scale copy. So what did we do to the right? We multiplied it by 33 over 43. Okay, sorry about that. Let me do one more for you. All right, the right triangle on the right is a scaled copy. All right, if the right triangle on the right is a scaled copy, then it's 14 over 12. So what's 14 over 12? 7 over 6. 7 fraction bar 6. Okay, so here it's the one on the right divided by the one on the left. So what's 36 over 84? 36 over 84, you should use your fraction calculator I told you to download. Remember this one here? The fraction calculator. Okay. Do 36 on top, do 84 on the bottom, it equals, and you get 3/7. 3 fraction 7. Okay. It's the figure on the right divided by the figure on the left. Okay. Scale factor of 3. All you got to do is multiply by 3. What's 9 times 3? 27. Oh, sorry. Here we go. See, N prime, L prime measures 9. That means the bigger one measures 9. What's the smaller one? So you got to divide by 3. Sorry, your answer is 3. Okay, let's do another one. All right. So the bigger one is 18. Scale factor of a half. Okay. So meaning 18 is half the size of the other one. So that means the other one is 36. Okay. So the second one is, the bigger one is 62. If it was dilated by 2, you divide by 2, you're going to get 31. Okay. Dilated by 3/4. Okay. So we're going to, if this time, if the smaller one times 3/4 is the bigger one, all right, then FG, okay, we're going to take, this is the bigger one, the second one. So it's dilated by 3/4. 3/4 is less than 1, so it's not the bigger one. This is the smaller one now, okay? So I'm going to take 9 and divide by 3/4. And I'm going to use my fraction calculator. I'm going to take 9 and I'm going to divide by 3/4. 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. And I get 12. Okay. Why am I wrong? Oh, because I got to multiply by 4/3. Okay. Oh, no, I just didn't read the question correctly. I don't like the way they said to do it. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. Okay. DEFG, I'm going to show the question again. It says DEFG is dilated by a scale factor of 3/4. That means that the first one was bigger, because to make this one is smaller. So how do I get to make this number bigger? All right, you want to do 9 divided by 3/4, not 4/3. 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. Okay, 9 divided by 3/4. That gives you 12. Oh, I know why. I'm sorry. I used the wrong number. That's why, because I got 12, because I used this 9 over here. FG is over here. Read the problem carefully, folks, okay? 18 divided by 3/4. Here we go. 18 divided by 3/4 equals 24. Sorry. That was my problem. Okay. See, when you get up at 3:45 in the morning, that's what kills you. Okay. What is the image of 9, 0 after a dilation by a scale factor of 5? All you got to do is multiply times 5. 45, 0. Okay. Scale factor of 1/4. What's the fourth of 12? The fourth of 12 is 3. Okay. Half. What's half of -6? -3. What's half of -4? -2. Okay, that's what you do there. Okay. Here you just set up a proportion. Okay. So I'm going to do 6.7 over x equals 3/6. Okay. Here, they're going to show you. That's, you know what? Why do they get so complicated? I'm sorry. All you got to do is this. 6.7 over x. 6.7 over x equals 3 over 6. 3 over 6. So I'm going to do 6.7 6.7 times 6 divided by 3 equals 13.4. Okay. 13.4. There you go. Just set up a proportion. You get that right every time. Okay. Okay. Here's another proportion. Okay. So 10 is to x as x is to 25. You have 3 right triangles here. Smallest triangle, middle triangle, and big triangle. So the smallest triangle, small side to hypotenuse equals small side to hypotenuse. So I'm going to do 10 is to x as x is to 25. Okay. Ten is to x as x is to 25. So x squared equals 250. I'm going to take the square root both sides. What's the square root of 250? You know what? I want to see something. Yeah, I'm not making you do all that. Okay, I'm getting rid of this problem. Boom, gone. Okay, special right triangles. Okay. Side x, okay. Equilateral means this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. So you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if this is 6, okay, this is 6 divided by square root of 3. Oh, you know what? Guess what? I'm not making you do this either. I'm taking that out too. Okay. So there you go. That is all you'll need for part 1. All right. Okay. So you should be good to go. All right. And that'll do it. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.